I built an automation in GHL that turns one bookkeeping request form into a full CRM process. Before this automation, someone would have to manually check the form, update the contact, update the company, create the opportunity, send the confirmation email, and assign the task. So here's how I automated it. The workflow starts when someone submits the request a bookkeeping operation review form. First, it adds the inquiry new tag, so new requests are easy to filter. Then it updates the contact status to inquiry. After that, it updates the company record because the company is the actual client business. Then the workflow checks if there's already an open opportunity inside the accounting sales pipeline. If there is one, it does nothing. If there isn't one, it creates the new opportunity automatically. That helps prevent duplicate deals while making sure every request enters the pipeline. After that, it sends a confirmation email with a discovery booking link, creates a task for the owner, and sends an internal notification through Telegram. Let's test it out. I will submit the form, then check the contact, company, opportunity, email, and the task. So one form submission now becomes a clean CRM process automatically.